In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find TikTok Shop orders. If you've recently bought something through TikTok Shop and want to check what you purchased, where it is, or when it will arrive, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to look and what each screen means. First, open the TikTok app on the device where you're signed into the account you used to make the purchase. Using the same accounts matters because orders are tied to that specific profile. If you manage more than one account, take a moment to confirm you're on the right one before moving on. On the main navigation bar, tap Shop. Depending on your device or region, this may appear as a shopping bag icon labeled Shop at the bottom or top of the screen. Tapping Shop takes you to the TikTok Shop home, where you can browse products and see featured deals. Here, look for the Orders option. It's usually near the top of the shop screen or within the shop profile area. Tap Orders. The Orders page is your command center. You'll see all your purchases grouped by status, such as to pay, to ship, to receive, and completed. If you've cancelled anything, you may also see a cancelled section. Tap any order to open its details. Inside an order, you can review the items you bought, the seller's store name, the delivery method, and your payment summary. Most orders also show a shipment timeline and a track button. Tap Track to view the latest carrier updates, the parcel's location, and the expected delivery window. If something looks off, the order details screen typically includes options to contact the seller, request a return, or view support policies. Keep in mind that response times, return windows, and tracking refresh rates can vary by country and by the courier the seller uses. If a seller just marked an item as shipped, give the system a little time to sync before tracking updates appear. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Keep your app updated so the Shop tab and Orders page display correctly. If you don't see the Shop tab, it may not be available in your region yet, or your app might need an update. For faster searches, use the search bar on the Orders page to find a specific product name or order number. And if you switch between personal and business profiles, confirm you're on the profile that placed the order. That's it. Open TikTok, tap Shop, and then tap Orders to view and track everything in one place. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.